If you're looking for an antenna that delivers clear, reliable TV signals without missing a single channel, you're in the right place. In this video, we're counting down the 5 best TV antennas that combine performance, range, and ease of use for the ultimate viewing experience. All product links are in the description below, so let's get started. At number 5, we have the HIDEMI Indoor-Outdoor Digital TV Antenna. Cut your cable bills and unlock hundreds of free channels with the HIDEMI Indoor-Outdoor Digital TV Antenna. Designed for all smart and old TVs, it delivers HD, 4K, and even 8K clarity, bringing your favorite shows to life with stunning picture quality. Get signals from up to 800 plus miles away thanks to 360-degree reception and a 16.5-foot high-performance coaxial cable. Whether in your bedroom, living room, outdoors, or RV, you'll enjoy more channels, stronger signals, and zero pixelation, even far from broadcast towers. Installation couldn't be easier. Plug, position, scan, and watch. No tools, no tech headaches, just instant access to free TV. Sleek, compact, and stylish, this antenna blends perfectly into any home while delivering unmatched performance. Ideal for gifting or upgrading your entertainment setup, HIDEMI is the ultimate choice for reliable, long-range TV reception. At number 4, we have the HIDB Indoor TV Antenna. The HIDB Indoor TV Antenna, designed for all smart TVs, it gives you crystal clear access to over 120 local channels in HD and 4K quality, letting you enjoy your favorite shows without monthly subscriptions. Equipped with industry-leading technology, this antenna uses eco-friendly, flame-retardant double PC material, offering moisture and lightning protection while ensuring long-lasting performance. Its built-in smart IC chip and crystal clear filter technology optimize signal reception for flawless, pixel-free viewing. The omnidirectional reception and strong magnetic base make placement simple and flexible. Whether on a TV stand, table, or other surfaces, you'll enjoy reliable, uninterrupted signals throughout your home. Compact yet powerful, the HIDB antenna blends seamlessly into any room without taking up space. With up to 150 miles range and easy installation, it's the ultimate choice for premium indoor TV reception. At number 3, we have the Fronguld Indoor-Outdoor Digital TV Antenna. Fronguld Indoor-Outdoor Digital TV Antenna transforms your TV experience. Compatible with all smart TVs, it delivers crystal clear HD and 4K channels without costly cable subscriptions. Enjoy hundreds of local channels, including ABC, CBS, NBC, FOX, PBS, and UNIVINSION, completely free. With its long-range reception up to 1,000 plus miles, the antenna features a smart IC chip and signal booster that optimize transmission while preventing interference. Even far from broadcast towers, you'll get more channels with sharper, uninterrupted picture quality. The 360-degree signal reception ensures the strongest signals anywhere, indoors or outdoors. Its 16.5-foot thick cable allows flexible placement on walls, windows, or desktops, and it works reliably in bad weather or thunderstorms. Featuring 2 adjustable modes for long-range and short-range reception, it adapts perfectly to your distance from towers. Easy to install in minutes, compact, and stylish, Fronguld is the ultimate choice for premium, hassle-free TV viewing. At number 2, we have the Yimayinu Indoor-Outdoor Digital TV Antenna. Yimayinu TV Antenna lets you access 150 plus local channels in HD, 4K, and 8K, delivering crystal clear picture quality without costly cable bills. Enjoy news, sports, and your favorite shows in stunning clarity, all completely free. Equipped with an advanced built-in signal amplifier, this antenna ensures the strongest, most reliable reception. Say goodbye to buffering, pixelation, and weak signals, even in challenging terrain or distant broadcast areas. Your shows will always look and sound their best. Designed for indoor and outdoor use, it's perfect for homes, apartments, RVs, or balconies. Its sleek, lightweight design allows flexible placement anywhere, maximizing reception while blending seamlessly with your space. Built from durable, weather-resistant materials, the Yimayinu antenna withstands rain, snow, heat, and cold, while delivering stable, long-lasting performance. Easy to install and use, it's the ultimate choice for hassle-free premium TV viewing. At number 1, we have the Antenna's Direct ClearStream 4V Indoor-Outdoor TV Antenna. Antenna's Direct ClearStream 4V Indoor-Outdoor TV Antenna delivers crystal-clear free TV with 4 patented loops that capture HD TV signals from over 70 miles away. Enjoy your favorite local channels in 4K, 8K, and 1080p Full HD without the need for internet or expensive cable subscriptions. Crafted from premium, durable materials, this antenna is perfect for indoor, attic, or outdoor installation. Its robust design ensures long-lasting performance, making it ideal for suburban and rural homes. Equipped with advanced reflectors and a pivoting 20-inch mast, it focuses and protects incoming signals to minimize pixelation and interference. Adjustable for vertical or horizontal surfaces, it ensures the strongest, most reliable reception in any setup. The package includes the ClearStream 4V antenna, 2 reflectors, pivoting mast, all-weather mounting hardware, and instructions. Easy to install, powerful, and versatile, it's the ultimate choice for uninterrupted, high-quality TV viewing. That's a wrap on our 5 best TV antennas. These antennas deliver clear reception, easy setup, and access to your favorite channels without cable. Check the description for links and latest prices. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell to stay updated on the top home entertainment gear.